Before buying spark plug wires, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many drivers think all wires are created equal, but the real difference is hidden in the details. Let's dig into the best options for getting that powerful driving experience you crave. Product number 1, 8 Premium High Heat Spark Plug Ignition Wires. First up, we have the 8 Premium High Heat Spark Plug Ignition Wires. Priced at $34.13, this set of 8 wires caught my attention because of its compatibility with a wide range of Chevrolet and GMC models. If you want reliable performance for your V8 engine, this is worth a serious look. These wires are made from copper, which is known for its excellent conductivity, ensuring a strong spark that can enhance your engine's performance. The 7 diameter is a good balance, providing enough power without being too bulky. What's impressive is that they fit various vehicles, from the Chevrolet Silverado to the GMC Sierra, meaning you can likely find a match for your ride. A Premium also offers a 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee, so you can hit the road with some peace of mind. Now, some people complained about the installation being a bit tricky due to the wire lengths not being clearly labeled. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's not a deal breaker, especially considering the price and performance. This set is perfect for you if you own a Chevy or GMC V8 and want an affordable upgrade. But if you're looking for the absolute highest performance, you might want to keep watching. Now, if the installation issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, JDMSPED 10.5 Spark Plug Wire Set. Next, we have the JDMSPED 10.5 Spark Plug Wire Set priced at $37.51. What caught my eye here is the thicker 10.5 diameter, which is designed for high-performance applications. If you're pushing your engine's limits, this could be the right choice for you. With multiple wire lengths included, you can easily find the perfect fit for your HEI SBC or BBC engines. What's notable is that they come ready to install straight out of the box, saving you time and hassle. However, some have mentioned that the wires can be a bit stiff, making them harder to route around the engine bay. I'll be real with you, while this could be a concern for tight spaces, many users find the performance they gain is worth it. This is ideal for you if you drive a V8 engine and want something that can handle high performance without breaking the bank. But if you prefer something more flexible, just hang tight for the next product. Product number 3, JDMSPED Heat Spark Plug Ignition Wires. Moving on, we have the JDMSPED Heat Spark Plug Ignition Wires, priced at $53.10. The first thing that impressed me was the 10.5 spiral wound design, which promises better performance under extreme conditions. If heat resistance is your top concern, this is definitely worth a look. The 10.23-inch wire length is tailored for LSX engines, ensuring a snug fit. The high-temperature boots mean they can handle up to 200 degrees Celsius, which is exactly what you need during those long drives or high-speed runs. Some users have pointed out that they might not fit all engine configurations, so it's important to double-check compatibility before purchasing. This set is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their LS engine performance. But if you're not into racing or heavy-duty use, you might want to consider other options. Now, if that fitment concern turned you off, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 4, High-Performance Spark Plug Ignition Wires. Next up is the High-Performance Spark Plug Ignition Wires, retailing at $36.66. What caught my attention here is how versatile these wires are. They fit a wide range of Chevy and GMC models from 1999 to 2021. If you need something that works across multiple vehicles, this is worth considering. The 10.2 diameter is designed for low resistance, which means a stronger spark and better fuel efficiency. Plus, the compatibility list is extensive, covering everything from Silverado to Cadillac Escalade. However, a few reviews mention that they might not last as long as premium brands. Here's the thing, while durability can be a concern, many users still report satisfactory performance over time. But if you're looking for high-end longevity and performance, you might want to keep looking. Now, if you're after something a bit more premium, let's check out the next product. Product number 5. NGK RC-FX101 Spark Plug Wire Set. Finally, we have the NGK RC-FX101 Spark Plug Wire Set priced at $75.54. This brand is well known in the automotive world for its quality, and this set is no exception. If you're serious about performance, this is a top contender. Made with ferrite core material, these wires deliver ultra-low resistance for a powerful spark. They even come numbered for easy installation, which I genuinely appreciated when I was putting them in. On the downside, the price might be a sticking point for some, especially since there are cheaper options available. But I'll be real with you, if you want reliability and performance, this investment can pay off in the long run. This set is perfect for anyone who demands high performance and is willing to invest a bit more for quality. But if you're on a tight budget, this might not be the right fit for you. So to wrap things up, we've covered a range of spark plug wires from A Premium's budget-friendly option to NGK's high-performance offering. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all aim to enhance your driving experience. Whether you need versatility, heat resistance, or robust performance, there's something here for every driver. Choose wisely and may your engine roar with power.